Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the shop today. Hey, I wanted to show you something I just picked up off of Amazon. One of the things when in the shop and I'm always, measuring, doing some woodworking project, I always break the lid in my pencil or I lay it down, I can't find it. So I picked this little item up on on Amazon, and I wanted to show it to you. It's a pencil set. It comes with some extra lead here. Graphite, which is just your normal pencil color, red, yellow, and it comes with two separate pens. It's by Nicpro. And I wanted to show you real quick, it also comes, this little kit comes with an extra little sharpener, so if you need to sharpen the lead in case you break it. But the thing I really like is you can remove the top of these, and it just unscrews. Drop a piece of lead in, put the lid back on. Also, you have the cap is also a pencil sharpener too, so you can keep up with that a lot easier. That just came with an extra one there for the black pen. Put that on there, click, and you have your pen. The really neat thing I like about it is it has a pocket clip. So I can just put it right here in my pocket. I don't lose it, and when I need it, it's right there. Super easy. Pick this up on Amazon, gets great reviews, quick shipping. If it's something that you like, I'll put a link down in the description so you can take a look at it. For me, it was a real lifesaver. Hopefully, it will be for you too. Until next time, stay safe.